Data engineers, data scientists, and developers rely on various tools and programming languages to get their work done. These preferences can result in overcomplicated architectures, increased maintenance and operating costs, and new data silos that expose data to security risks. What if there was a way to enable your entire team to collaborate securely on the same data in a single platform that just works regardless of language? For example, for the numerous data scientists, data engineers, and developers who want to code in Python, Snowpark is here to help. With Snowpark, you can write code and functions using Python's familiar syntax, then push processing to the Snowflake engine to get superior performance with near-zero maintenance. One of the most important reasons developers choose Python is its rich ecosystem of open-source libraries that accelerate development of data pipelines and machine learning workflows. We have built product integrations with Conda to provide effortless access to hundreds of open-source Python packages within Snowflake. These packages are provided out of the box and require no manual installs. Additionally, the integrated Conda package manager provides seamless dependency management, enabling data scientists, data engineers, and developers to spend more time innovating rather than debugging broken Python environments, and to overcome data security roadblocks to production and eliminate ungoverned copies of data. All code, along with a curated set of the most popular open-source libraries, are directly inside Snowflake. Eliminate time spent on infrastructure management and focus on getting value from your data. Let Snowpark for Python supercharge your data team to securely build scalable, optimized pipelines and quickly and efficiently execute machine learning workflows while working in Python. Get started with Snowpark. Visit snowflake.com/Snowpark to learn how.